I'm Nick Howard, the service manager at Reggie's Motorworks. Two of the most important things a new client will experience at Reggie's Motorworks they probably haven't experienced quite like elsewhere is the amount of communication, the level of communication, and the transparency.
My name is Nick Starter and I'm the head service advisor here at Reggie's Motorworks. I think we do a really great job of really explaining everything to our clients and making sure that they fully understand everything that they want to about their vehicle so that they can really make a good decision on what they want to do with that vehicle going forward.
We work really hard to build relationships with our clients as well as educate them about their cars. We want to make sure that they can truly understand and appreciate their vehicles, what's going on with it, what it needs, and be comfortable and confident in the car they drive every day. One of the things that I enjoy most about Reggie's Motorworks is being able to help clients in a stressful situation, take them from the stress and the frustration of maybe their car breaking down and it affecting their personal life, their professional life, their families, their vacations, and helping turn that into a positive situation.
One thing we get asked a lot here at Reggie's Motorworks is, what does it cost to fix fill in the blank? And to really be able to give you an accurate answer and to make sure that we can give you as much information as we possibly can, something we need to have a professional master technician analyze the car and perform a set of tests to really make sure that we can give you as much information as possible and go over all the options for the repair with you.
One of the frequent questions we get asked on the phone is, can you fix my German car? And the quick and easy answer is yes. We have the factory trained technicians, we have the factory computers, we have the factory tools. Our goal is to be able to provide the service and the experience and the knowledge and the equipment to take care of any needs you have with your German car.